Meet the world's first self-warming baby bottle by Ember. You can safely warm milk or formula to body temperature using convection current technology. Multiple sensors detect temperature and liquid levels, so every bottle is warmed precisely and at just the right heat to preserve nutrients while eliminating hot spots. It has a included thermal dome, which makes the bottle stay cool and protected while on the go. The designers say the app can be used to warm in under 5 minutes, and you will be notified when it's at the perfect temperature. The Ember Baby app also provides an integrated smart solution to prep, track, and monitor feedings, as well as your baby's growth. Another helpful design they have thought of for tired parents is simply put this bottle warmer beside your bed at night and easily warm at a press of a button. The bottle capacity is 178 milliliters. Once fully charged, the bottle gives you 2 full heating cycles. Cost of this product is $399 and is available now. Up next is the amazing Cybex E-Priam pram. The latest E-Priam combines groundbreaking e-functionality with new generation features to make life easier for you like never before. This pram is packed with all the latest technology and practicality. Intelligent, intuitive, and exceptionally innovative, the E-Priam empowers you to glide up and down hills with ease and smartly adapts to rough terrain like sand, gravel, or cobblestones. What's more, you can rock your pram hands-free using the smartphone app. Nap time was never this easy. This pram will set you back around $1,400 and is available now. Introducing the Nova Baby Swing, the perfect solution for soothing your little one. As a new parent, one of the most challenging tasks is to keep your little one happy and comfortable. This is where the Nova Baby Swing comes in, the perfect solution for soothing your little one. The Nova Baby Swing comes with an array of features that make it stand out from the rest. The swing has an advanced IMD touch panel and a remote control that let you adjust the settings without disturbing your baby. The Nova Baby Swing also has a comfortable seat with a 5-point harness, ensuring your baby's safety while they swing. The swing's motion is smooth and gentle, mimicking the natural movement of a parent's arms, which is perfect for soothing your baby. The Nova Baby Swing also comes with an overhead toy bar that has soft toys that your baby can reach and play with. It is also designed with convenience in mind. It's compact, making it easy to move around the house or even take with you on the go. Your little one will be happy and content while you go about your daily routine. The cost of this product is around $150. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content, and as always, thanks for watching.